Post and organize course content so that class notes, supplementary resources, and activities are clearly displayed to learners. This tutorial shows how to navigate lessons in Brightspace Learning Environment. The Lessons tool has two main areas. The Course Navigation area provides course expectations, options, and a lesson overview where you can browse course materials and assignments. The Display area allows you to view the course materials and assignments. The Course Expectations Coverage Gauge allows you to view and import expectations from the Achievement Standards Network. Click Course Expectations Coverage to view a table that displays all content units and the standards they align to. The numbers in each column indicate the number of activities in a unit satisfying an expectation. Click Display Only Expectations which have no course material to determine which ones are not yet linked to course materials. You can add a unit by clicking New Unit in the Course Options menu. You can pace your course or preview it as a student. When you pace your course, set a date range to pace content evenly between the dates. Pacing dates ensures there is enough time to complete all materials in the allotted time for your course and helps you stay on track. This can be modified at any time. Note, this information is not visible to learners, and it is meant to assist you with the pacing of your course. In the Course Navigation area, you can view and navigate course materials and activities. Course material can be organized into units, lessons, optional folders, and materials. When you click a material, you can view it in the display area. Hide or make visible a unit, lesson, or material from your learners by clicking the visibility toggle. The Hidden from Students icon indicates that learners cannot view the object. Objects without this icon are viewable by learners. Click Add to add an object to your course. When you click the Options menu, you can edit the title of a course object, view expectations or release conditions, post materials to your course homepage, download materials, organize materials using the Move and Reorder features, or delete course objects. For this example, select Post to Course Homepage to share the content with your homepage in the Activity Feed widget. Enter your reason for sharing the material with your learners, such as an announcement, reminder, or to-do. Then, click Post to share with your learners. When you navigate to an activity based in another tool, you are prompted to navigate to that item. Post and organize course content so that class notes, supplementary resources, and activities are clearly displayed to learners.